Good day everyone, I am Jeraldine Latorre and I'm going to discuss the normal flora of the human body. So first, what is normal flora? Normal flora is the mixture of microorganisms, the bacteria and fungi, that are regularly found at any anatomical site of human body. So the human microbiome is the aggregate of microorganisms that reside on the surface and in deep layers of skin, in the saliva and oral mucosa, in the conjunctiva and the gastrointestinal tracts. They include bacteria and fungi, and some of these organisms perform tasks that are useful for the human host. So here is the associations between humans and the normal flora. So the normal flora prevent colonization by pathogens by competing for attachment sites or for essential nutrients. This is thought to be their most important beneficial effect, which has been demonstrated in the oral cavity, the intestine, the skin, and the vaginal epithelium. So, the relationship between normal flora and human body is diverse. Microbial flora is associated with the skin and mucous membranes of every human being from shortly after birth or until die. So here is the tissue specificity. So most members of the normal bacterial flora prefer to colonize certain tissues and not others. This tissue's specificity is usually due to properties of both the host and the bacterium. Usually, specific bacteria colonize specific tissues by one or another of these mechanisms. The second one is the tissue tropism. So tissue tropism is the bacterial preference of predilection of certain tissues for growth. One explanation for tissue tropism is that host provides essential nutrients and growth factors for the bacterium in addition to suitable oxygen, pH, and temperature for growth. The third one is the specific adherence. So most bacteria can colonize a specific tissue or site because they can adhere to that tissue or site in a specific manner that involves complementary chemical interactions between the two surfaces. A specific adherence involves biochemical interaction between bacterial surface components, the ligands or adhesents, and host cells' molecular receptors. And the last is the biofilm formation. So some of the indigenous bacteria are able to construct biofilms on a tissue surface, or they are able to colonize a biofilm built by another bacterial species. Many biofilms are a mixture of microbes, although one member is responsible for maintaining the biofilm and may predominate. So, what is the role of normal flora in the human body? So, the functions of the normal flora include digestion of substrates, production of vitamins, stimulation of cell maturation, stimulation of the immune system, aid in initial transit, and colonization resistance. So that's the role of normal flora in our human body. Normal flora of the skin. So the human skin is constantly bombarded by organisms present in the environment. It is also contaminated by one's own secretions and excretions depending on individuals' personal hygiene. So examples are Staphylococcus, diphtheroids, E. coli, and Candida. So where is normal flora found in the human body? So normal flora can be found in many sites of the human body, including the skin and especially the most areas such as the groin and between the toes, respiratory tract, or particularly the nose. Yan. urinary tract, and digestive tract, primarily the mouth and the colon. What are the negative effects of normal flora? Many elements of the normal flora may act as opportunistic pathogens, especially in hosts rendered susceptible by rheumatic heart disease, immunosuppression, radiation, therapy, chemotherapy, perforated mucous membranes, and etc. The flora of the gingival crevice cause the dental caries in about 80% of the population. So, what are the rules of normal flora in our skin? The benefits bacteria can offer include preventing transient pathogenic organisms from colonizing the skin surface, either by competing for nutrients, secreting chemicals against them, or stimulating the skin's immune system. So here are the rules of normal flora on our skin. So that's all. Thank you and God bless everyone. Have a nice day.